Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you what I think is the best stock trading app in Australia. I know most of these videos give you a list of 4 or 5 different brokers, all the pros and cons of each one, but the trading app I want to share with you today is so much better than all the others, and it dominates in every category when it comes to features and, most importantly, trading fees. If you enjoyed the video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. So the trading app I currently use to make all of my investments is Stake. I've spoken about Stake before on the channel as the broker that I used to do all of my US trading, but when it came to buying and selling Australian shares, I had to use a different broker as Stake didn't offer ASX trading. That is until the other day when Stake unleashed their ASX trading update, and all I can say is good luck to the competition. When it comes to what you want from a stock trading app, there's 3 categories I think are the most important. Number 1 for me is safety. The broker has to be CHESS sponsored, meaning you become the legal owner of the shares. This means the ASX has a record of every share you own through your HIN or your holder identification number. So if something happened with Stake and they go bankrupt, your holdings are safe because you're the legal owner of the shares and they're in your name. So Stake checks the box for safety. Category number 2 is trading fees, and Stake absolutely wipes the floor with everybody when it comes to trading fees. We already know they're the cheapest broker when it comes to US trading with their 0 brokerage fees and their small deposit fee. But what about ASX trading? Before Stake, the cheapest trading fees I'd seen from an ASX broker was $9.50 from Selfwealth. Superhero do $5 trading fees, but they're not CHESS sponsored, so they don't count. But get ready for this. Stake's trading fee for ASX trading is only a $3 flat fee. I can't stress how incredibly cheap that is. If we compare them to their competition in CommSec, NAB and Selfwealth, we can see they currently have a promotion going on until January where they charge 0 trading fees. But even when it goes back to $3, they're so much cheaper than the competition. I also personally love brokers that charge flat fees over percentage fees, because the percentage fees will sting you for a lot of money when you trade with greater amounts, whereas flat fees stay the same no matter what the trade size is. Stake having fees this low shows they really value the customer experience over better profit margins. If you've watched this channel before, you know I'm a huge fan of Nick Sleep. And this move by Stake reminds me of the scale efficiencies shared business model Nick talks about in his shareholder letters. The same business model used by Costco and Amazon. Essentially, it's based on the philosophy of sharing the company's success with the customer. When the company makes money, they give back to the customer through lower prices, and the general idea is to completely delight the customer. Nick Sleep says this creates a flywheel where by lowering prices, you get more customers, which gives you greater scale to grow the business even more, and on it goes. And this business model is why Amazon and Costco are so successful. They sacrifice margins to delight the customer by giving them the lowest prices. Like Amazon and Costco, I feel like Stake are sacrificing profit margins today to have the lowest trading fees, leading to more customers and greater scale tomorrow. This is a really powerful business model according to Nick Sleep, and it creates a culture where everyone's happy and everybody benefits. The owners of the business, the employees, and especially the customers. Sorry I went off on that massive tangent. I just thought it was a cool thing for Stake to do, and as a customer I'm definitely delighted. Okay, so back to fees quickly. Stake clearly dominate the fees category, so that's another check. Okay, so the last category is app quality and user interface. This part's kind of subjective because different people will like different things and have unique tastes. In terms of how user friendly it is, Stake's app is so easy to use and navigate around. I really like the modern look of the app, and I think it looks really clean and crisp. I definitely prefer it to some of the other options out there that are kind of lacking in the user friendly department. I think the team at Stake put a lot more effort into their product, and it definitely shows. Another thing I really like is how they offer an electronic paperless way to transfer your existing ASX portfolio to Stake. So if you wanted to transfer your portfolio from CommSec or Selfwealth over to Stake, they make it really easy and seamless. You can do it over the app, and according to Stake, the transfer should go through on the same day, completely without paperwork or hassle. Stake don't charge any fees for the process, but they say fees may apply from your departing broker. So if you plan on transferring to Stake, make sure to check if your other broker charges portfolio transfer fees. I'm really happy Stake came up with this service because it was one of the most frustrating things about changing brokers. So overall for app quality, Stake gets another big check. Last but not least, one of the best things about Stake, if you sign up to Stake and fund your account within a day, Stake will give you a free stock of either Nike, Dropbox or GoPro just for funding your account. And if you refer your friend with the referral code, you can get another free stock for the both of you when your friend signs up. If you end up signing up to Stake, I'd really appreciate it if you use my referral code down in the description box below, and we'll both get a free stock. Let me know in the comments which free stock you got when you signed up. Now, I know this might have sounded like one big ad for Stake, but I'm not sponsored or affiliated with Stake in any way. I'm just a very happy customer, and I'm very impressed with what Stake have done over the last year. I love how they've given back to the customers, and they've shared the benefits of their success with us through lower fees and more features. If anyone from Stake watches this, give yourself a pat on the back for making such a great product and your awesome service. So that's my thoughts for trading apps here in Australia. I think Stake is by far the best broker in Australia in every single category when it comes to US and ASX trading. I think the other trading apps have a lot of work to do and they simply can't compete with Stake on fees. If you've enjoyed the video so far, please consider hitting that like button as it really helps support the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this one, hit that subscribe button and join our growing little community. Thank you so much to the people who have already subscribed and have been chatting with me in the comments. Getting to talk to you guys about investing and answering your questions is my favourite part about making videos. If you have any questions or if you want me to cover a particular topic in another video, let me know in the comments down below. I reply to every single comment. Thank you so much for watching the video all the way to the end. If you're still bored, I'll put another video up in the corner that I think you'll find interesting. And as always, this video is not financial advice. Please always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support and I'll see you guys in the next one.